Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how I made the fins for my Laguna look. I'm using parchment paper as my base. I'm sketching out the shape and size I want the fins to be. Trace the design onto another piece of paper for the opposite fin. Next, I'm using hot glue to create the bones of the fins. I added more hot glue to the base of the fin so I can apply it onto my face later on. Next, I'm using school glue to create the webbing of the fins. Liquid latex will be a better option for this, but this glue worked out just fine. The first layer, I applied the glue using a cotton ball. I used a hairdryer on the cool setting to speed up the drying process. I eventually just spreaded the glue directly from the bottle just to speed this process up. I recommend doing this from the get-go. Peeling the fins off the parchment paper was really satisfying. I used small scissors to trim the excess glue off the fins and to clean them up. Prince was my little helper with this project. Next, I'm using eyeshadows to color the fins. You could use pastels or paint. I started with a light color and worked my way from there. I created a fish hook using an eye pin. I bent it to create that hook shape. I used red eyeshadow to create a fresh wound effect on the fish hook. hairspray to set the eyeshadow on the fins. Next, I added other accessories that I wanted on the fins. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Have a safe and spooky day. Bye guys!